De La Salle University is one set away from taking this matchup against FEU.
Masangkay. Ano ba yan? Nakikipag-chik while watching this game, enjoying this game. Of course, they had a game earlier, which Adamson won.
In straight sets, so Adamson University improving to 3 victories and 1 loss, while UE, on the other hand, drops to 1 and 3.
Cha Cruz. Again, once again, you know you like Cha Cruz. Now she has the role of Jack Alarca. When you need her, she will score for you. You need to stop to a bleeding, let's say, she would answer. You need the spark plug, she will answer.
The undisputed leader of De La Salle University, Cha Cruz.
16, serving 17.
La Salle's closest game so far, well, some could argue between the Adamson and Ateneo game, but I think the Adamson game was a lot more close than the Ateneo game. But the intensity, of course, of the Ateneo La Salle game was on a really high level.
Oh, great save by the Lady Tams.
Cha Cruz, and dug up well by Baniel.
Oh, and Esperanza. Again, once again. A little impatient, but in a good way. As she goes for the top ball.
She really has excellent peripheral vision to see the open.
It's the same dump ball, but it looks different from a Jem Ferrer, diba? It's actually the same second ball, dump ball, but ibang yung execution, magkaiba.
Esperanza finishing second in the best setter race in last year's UAAPC 73 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Esperanza trying to take her game to another level here in just her second year in the UAAP. Gohing digs it up well. Maraño slamming it off that double block.
You know what's good with Maraño is that she is very consistent so far. At least in the 4 games that they have played, she has played consistently for Coach Ramon.
And she's only in her 3rd year, Abigail Maraño. That's a service ace for the captain, Cha Cruz. And Coach Ness desperately needs something from his girls.
Ayaw nyo sa bumwesto sa dapat din pwesto. May receive yun. Ay, nasa guhit agad. Pareho ko yung kagad sa buhay. So, mga kayo, tumulong kayo sa receive. Hindi naman tayo papalo agad eh. Re-receive muna. Yung papaluin, yung mga galing sa receive bago palang masaset yan. So, kayo nyo lang, pinalayo nyo. Tatlo kanya, isa-isa, gano'n na, isa palitan nga na. Ayaw nyo kasi magtaga.
Well, La Salle is trying to pull away here. It was a neck-and-neck battle as Coach Ness was telling his ladies.
Ayan, one of the godfathers of Philippine volleyball, Coach Kid Santos, along with sila Olgo Santa Maria, you have Emil Lonto, was pioneer coaches. Because there were people before them, but ito yung talagang yung sumisikat na yung volleyball. Again, Coach Kid Santos. Ang dami ng younger coaches after him, nataturuan niya. And Coach Ramil is one of them. Coach Sang, you have Coach Ness.
So Coach Santos was also from FEU, Mozi?
Oh, yes.
Also, ito.
Mga younger generation coaches.
FEU products.
Ayan,
Coach Shaq.
If I'm not mistaken, pati si Coach Parley yata eh.
La Salle talks things over.
Okay, Sige, tingnan mo, dumipensa ka dyan, ha? Eto, wala namang papaluin yan, bihirang-bihira pumalo yan dito. Mula rito, gaganon yan, Maika. Tumapat ka na, ilak mo yan, ikaw, humabol ka ron, May. Ha? So, front line yung better tingnan nyo, nakapwesto kayo dyan. Baka i-drop mo na naman.
So now Coach Ness Pamilar drawing up a play, or at least something that they can go to.
And Coach Ness reminding his girls of their position on the defensive end and to be wary of that drop ball, that exact drop ball. Camille Cruz.
And that goes long. Don't look now. FEU with a 1-point lead.
4 straight points for FEU. When Coach Ness called his first timeout, they were down 17-20, and since then they have scored 4 straight points to take the lead. But Maraño tries to respond, dug up well by FEU. Esperanza to Camille Cruz. Giselle C. Sets left. Morada. What a rally we're having here. Maraño. And Giselle C again. Micah will try. And still, the volleyball is alive.
Chance for the LSU.
Camille Cruz.
Oh, and that goes in. We'll expect Coach Camille to call timeout.
Oh, this is not... This is something we never want to see.
Was there a collision at the net?
Everybody's holding their breath right now.
Holding on to her knee.
When she went for that open hit, there was a double block by FEU. I wasn't able to see how she fell down because of the long rally in the action. We're going to see it right here.
Here's the attack. Oh, this is a bad fall on one leg. No collision whatsoever.
Immediately, she held on to her left knee. So we hope that Cruz is okay. Camille Cruz. Play will resume here.
Galang back for Cruz. In fact, Galang has sat down because of the excellent play by Cruz.
But I like the way the rest of the LaSalle players, led of course by Cha Cruz, immediately came to Camille's aid as Camille was on the floor in pain. (22-21), and that error by FEU means that we are tied again at 22.
That's right, Mary Rose Banyal, maybe that open hit. She's far away from the net for the off-speed.
This is a crucial stage of this game for both teams, but FEU needs it more than LaSalle. Gumabaw.
Oh, Gumabaw trying to go for a power tip. It's blocked by the net.
Chance for FEU.
Lady Tamaraws up by 1. Mayron.
Serving is Majorie Rojas. Esperanza to Maraño. Oh!
And that was totally read by FEU. They knew maybe 90% that they will go to Maraño.
I'm out.
Great blocking by Morada and Yulalio.
Diba? Nandun yung bola. Diniwanan mo na lang dun. Eh, pwede naman dito eh. diskartehan mo, hindi pa pwedeng bahala na. Dito lang yung huling binigay mo, dinigpas mo na lang. Bahala na spiker. Hindi pwedeng gano'n ang prinsipyo. Pag magtatask ka, kailangan nakikita mo na maayos na mapapalo ng kasama mo. Hindi pwedeng tinaas mo na lang basta, bahala na spiker. Di ba? Eh, hindi, halos walang distansya tayo eh. Okay? O, rumisid tayo ngayon, ha? Kaya pa yan, no?
Kaya pa yan,
Ano,
kaya.
mag-rumisid tayo. Rumisid tapos ang black, ha?
Esperanza still will learn a lot from Coach Ramil. Definitely, she's just on her second year. A lot of learning still for Esperanza. And ang sinasabi lang ni Coach Ramil, do not let things be easier for you. So, dahil katabi mo si Maranyo, binigay mo sa kanya, not realizing that 2 blockers were already waiting for her. Ibigay mo dun sa kabila. Obviously, there will only be 1 blocker to that spiker. So, not because madali sa'yo, parang comfort zone mo eh. That's why yung setter, kailangan talaga quick decision and yung skills niya, ibang level talaga.
In that time, Esperanza giving a perfect set to Michelle Gumabao, and Gumabao finishing the job.
And let's see if what kind of play Giselle C will give FEU.
But they're going to have to receive first.
Right, they need a single point to win this set. Oh, easy give back to Lasal.
Galang. FEU keeping it alive. Morada. Oh, a miss hit by Jack Cruz.
Gives FEU this third set, and they are still alive in this game.
FEU forcing a set number 4. They have stunned De La Salle here in set number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, set number 4 is coming up.